In the course of using your industrial cannabis grinder, you'll occasionally need to give it a good cleaning to ensure consistent and quality operation. To do this, you need a 9/64 hex head tool, cleaning and scrubbing brushes, some isopropyl alcohol, and a hand towel. First, use the hand screws to remove the upper tray where the cannabis is fed into the grinder. Then, remove the grinder housing from the motor using the black hand screws. This exposes the grinder blade, which is gently removed from the grinder chuck. Now you use your 9/64 hex head tool to remove the grinder screen. Use your cleaning brush to remove any loose or remaining cannabis from all parts of the grinder. The blade, the screen, and the housing. Remove the bearing cap and brush it off as well. After all the grinder pieces have been cleaned of all loose cannabis, we can soak them in warm water and a few squirts of either alcohol or dish soap. In this video, we'll be using dish soap. You can now wash the blade, screen, tray, and the housing to get rid of any remaining material. Do not wash the bearing cap in the water with the other pieces. Instead, give it a thorough spray off with an air duster to make sure it is clean. Next, give all your grinder pieces, including the bearing cap, a wipe with your hand towel soaked with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Be sure to also give the exterior of the motor a wipe down with the alcohol as well. Now that everything is nice and clean, we can now start reassembling our grinder. Replace the grinder screen and the bearing cap. Reattach the grinder blade and replace the housing using the hand screws to tighten in place. Finally, the tray is screwed in place. The industrial cannabis grinder from Custom Cones USA is a high-torque, low RPM workhorse that can munch through a pound a minute with minimal downtime. With regular cleaning, this grinder will be with you and your company for many harvests to come.